So today we are gonna make Sicilian Casadeddi, right, ma?
I fritte.
Huh?
Fritte sul visto.
Yeah, they're gonna be fried. Ma si chiamano Casadeddi.
Casadeddi fritte.
Fried Casadeddi, and this is a Sicilian treat, right, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. So what did you put in the dough, ma? Che ci mettiste nel dough?
Acqua e vino.
Water. How much water?
Fino a se non basta.
How much? Yeah. How much flour?
5 tazze farina.
5 cups of flour.
Yeah.
1 cup of water.
Più picca. Meglio così, 4 unze.
4 ounces of water. Okay.
Un po' di vino.
How much bogavino?
Lo stesso.
So 4 ounces of wine. Anything else? Crisco. How much?
Half.
Half a container of Crisco.
Yeah, that's it.
And then you mixed it all up.
Yeah.
And now you're gonna squish them.
Yeah.
And you've also got ricotta. Did you make the ricotta yourself?
La ricotta ci hai messo succo e scorza l'olio migliore.
Okay. How much sugar did you put, ma?
Uno.
Here.
A little bit.
Little bit.
Much, yeah.
Okay, so a little bit is how much, ma? 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons?
No, half a cup maybe.
Half a cup of sugar
Yeah.
in this much ricotta?
Yeah.
What is that? 2 cups of ricotta?
Yeah.
And half a cup of sugar. And now you're straining these out. And you're gonna make a whole bunch of these casadeddis. And where are you going now? Huh? Oh, you're gonna get the little cutter. Okay, well the little cutter is important. King, say hi. King. Okay, she's getting the cutter. You gonna help her? You're gonna help her make casadeddi with the dough? Roll them out, ricotta. Okay. We'll get the exact measurements better later on in this broadcast. Okay, so now, ma?
E ora pigliamo a pezzettini a pasta dough e a larghe.
Okay. And now, you're cutting it. You're making a shape, and that's beautiful. And then you're gonna deep fry that, right, ma?
Yeah.
Yeah? Very nice. Ma?
So this is what we were able to make. This many here, as you can see. And then what's important is you take a fork and you want to go around and kind of trim each one. And then also poke holes with a toothpick for air to escape as it starts to heat up. So now we're going to fry it.
Okay, so with the leftover dough, because we have leftover dough, what we do here is we're taking the cutter, this cutter here, and we're making strips. And then with the strips, go ahead, ma, what are you gonna do? The strip, you're cutting the strip into basically 6-inch lengths. And then what do you do? After cut, and then you tie it into like a little knot.
Some tight, some.
Okay, and you're gonna deep fry these, right?
Yeah.
All right.